In the business report, Kintyre Holdings subsidiary Visual Vibe has secured a strategic loan of $500,000 from Portland PJX, the private equity fund of Portland Holdings, led by Jamaican-Canadian billionaire Michael Lee Chin. The expansion will enable the company to provide a digital advertising platform for 175 trucks, which generate revenues of $350 per truck per day in that country. Kintyre Holdings Limited is also reporting that its subsidiary, Visual Vibes Limited, which recently broke into the U.S. digital advertising market, is planning to do an initial public offer of shares during the middle of the year 2027. Andrea Livingston Prince, CEO of Business Works and Chief Project Manager of the Seed Incubator, highlights the support of the Development Bank of Jamaica to help rural businesses bounce back from devastation. When Hurricane Beryl struck Jamaica in July 2024, many feared the worst for rural businesses. Crops were destroyed, markets disrupted, and livelihoods shaken. Yet, enterprises supported by the Business Works Seed Rural Economic Development Incubator surprised observers by bouncing back quickly. Within weeks, they were not just back in operation, they exceeded recovery targets by 8 to 10% and doubled their yields. An incubator is a structured program that helps new and growing businesses strengthen their operations, improve governance, and build financial discipline while connecting them to markets and investors. Caribbean Information and Credit Rating Services Limited has reaffirmed the assigned positive ratings of $13.4 billion bond issue of Guardian Holdings Limited. The ratings are supported by GHL's moderate industry diversification and strong market position of its subsidiaries, particularly in the English and Dutch-speaking Caribbean. GHL's consistently strong financial performance and robust capitalization of its regulated subsidiaries also support the ratings. Caricris has also upgraded by a notch the assigned issuer corporate credit ratings of Access Financial Services Limited. The one-notch upgrade of the ratings is primarily attributable to an improvement in Access Financial Services' financial risk profile over the past year, underpinned by the group's consistent loan growth. Time now for the latest financial market details in the business report with Denise Williams.
For the trading period ending October 3, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 10,151,842 units traded, representing 47.63% of market sales volume. Advertising and real estate holding firm Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited shares of 3,830,534 units traded, representing 17.97% of market sales volume. Food and beverage distributor Caribbean Producers Jamaica Limited shares of 2,328,624 units traded, representing 10.92% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On October 3, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $63.09 million purchased and US $70.69 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.65 per dollar, selling the US at $161.34 and buying the US at $159.69. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 45 cents per transaction, with selling at $115.85 and buying at $115.40. The British pound yielded Forex traders 97 cents, in profits with selling at $216.85 and buying at $215.88. For our credit report tip of the day, business stagnation can feel like hitting a wall, especially when you're doing everything right. Marketing, operations, and sales. Yet one of the most powerful growth tools many entrepreneurs overlook is their credit profile. A healthy credit profile can unlock funding, lower borrowing costs, and open doors to opportunities that accelerate growth. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.